Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. And in this video, I'll share that experience. I have talked about a masculine spirit, divine entity, which is with me since my childhood, or I would say by birth. And I think I have shared one or two video related to this, wherein a tantric has told me about this. So this spirit, stopped talking to me since 2015 or 2016, that I've mentioned in my previous video. So it did not talk to me, and I was also not feeling its presence from 2015 till 2019. And this I started feeling again. And okay, so I would not say that I was feeling again. All of a sudden, what has happened after shifting at this Twin Flames place in his area when I became his immediate neighbor. So one day I was walking, and then talking to myself that this person will never come in my life ever again, because his chapter is closed permanently now, because I have given him closure. I was looking at the Twin Flames house, and then I was telling to myself, this person will never come again in my life. So all of a sudden this I heard a voice, no, he will come. I said, no, he will not come. So this entity again said, he will come. I said, no, he will not come. So then third time this entity says, he is the only one who will come in your life. So I said, who's that? Is that you? Because I realized that this was the same voice which I used to talk. So he said, yes. I said, you left me and you were not there. I have gone through a lot from 2015, 18 or even 2019. I called you several times. You did not even reply me. You were not there. And also I was not feeling your presence. So why did you leave me? So this entity said, no, he was always there with me every time, every second. He never left me. And also I said, no, you were not there, because neither you reply me when I was asking for you. Also, I was not feeling your presence. Then he started giving me evidences, things what has happened during that time when I was not feeling his presence. Also, he was not replying. So when I joined a company in 2017, wherein I changed the industry from aviation to IT, so I was working in night shift, and I have also shared one of the experience wherein I met a masculine for whom I had exact same feelings for Twin Flame. So, which became my divine test. So there was another masculine who was in his team itself. So this person used to look like a model and always used to wear clothes and boots like a model. So in our office everything was allowed. We had a lot of freedom when it comes about working style, and then wherever we want to wear, except few things. So in my journey, I have mentioned many times I have met such people whom I have showed that I am not interested in talking to you. Still they try every possible way that they can communicate with me. So he was that kind of a person, and I realized immediately. So now what this masculine used to do, that intentionally used to go on breaks with me whenever I'm going on a short break or going for dinner. So what I in my company I had a time period between 10 to 1, I can go ahead for my dinner break whenever I want to. So he always used to observe and notice. He will only go when I go for dinner break, because dinner break was a longer period of time, like 1 hour time. And I realized this, and also as in my office, I was not talking to anyone, especially masculines. Yeah, there were masculines who were from my own team, and I was chit-chatting and talking to them. But this person was actually from other team. So because of this person, I stopped taking dinner break, and my I always used to do my breakfast in the office itself, as I was working in night shift. So I stopped eating food, I would say. And this I realized in my journey many times. Negative humans have become reason for me not eating my food, and this is what dark entities always wanted and tried. So whenever I was going through black magic, and even before that, since my childhood, dark entities I've talked about, what they used to do, whenever I have cooked food at my home, they will tie my hands so that I don't eat it. And it used to be tied in a way that I could not even move forward. So that I remember, and I guess I've already talked about in those experiences of dark entities, the way they were trying to stop me. And now humans became several times reasons for me not eating food. I've also talked about a company wherein I was working as HR head, where director used to stop me from eating my lunch and breakfast. So, and he was also reason that company wherein I stopped eating my dinner as well. So now this person, when I stopped, going on breaks, he didn't had any other option. So he played another, tactic. So he started reaching me out that, can you please help me in getting the hirings done, as he's new, he have to, perform. So he asked for a help, and I did, wherein I realized, this was his tactic. So I started working, but then, he was sending me poor qualities of resumes. So I could not do anything in that. Then I did not give priority to his work. So I also had a lot of work, and I had a team of people. One day this person got rude with me that you did not work on my resumes intentionally, this and that. And also he must have said something which I don't remember. But then yes, he was rude. So that time I showed him a place, that too with politeness, because this person was intentionally trying to form an image in the company that he and I are in relationship. Because though as I was not talking to anyone, I was not, I was always going for breaks alone, even for dinner break. So when everybody notices in office, they talk shit most of the time, I have seen, because there were boys in my team who used to talk about others. Even though people are generally talking, they will form a relationship between them. So but I realized this person was trying to form an image that he and I are in relationship. Also this person was playing a same role of that reptilian girl I have talked about earlier when I met a twin flame. So the person for whom I had a feeling exactly like twin flame, he was in his team. And this person noticed somehow I was interested in that person, or I was looking at him. Then intentionally this person started talking about this person, that he has a girlfriend, he's that kind of person, that this kind of person. I realized that now he has noticed that I was looking at him, and intentionally he's talking shit about him. So I ignored that part whenever he used to upfrontly says negative thing about that masculine whom I had feeling as twin flame. So but then what has happened, the moment he got rude with me, I showed him that first of all, I have my own work and I have my own team, and working with other team is just a choice. And I would not be working on your resumes anymore, because I have my own work. Now then he realized that I will not be even talking to them, talking to him, because this person knew that I do not tolerate BS from anyone, and especially the rude behavior wherein I was not at fault. And after that I stopped even responding him. He tried to talk to me, said hi, hello several times, and I did not respond him. But immediately after this incident, after a month time, we heard that he has hanged himself and he died. I was upset that why has he done that, but then I got to know that he had some sort of personal problem because of which he ended his life. So this I was told by one of my team member who was going in his cab. So this masculine spirit told me that he has ended his life, he hanged him because he got rude with me. So I said, you did a good job. See what has happened before this incident of my friend's murder. I was always polite and kind towards humans. I was not even ready to punish anyone. But then after this incident, my anger was getting increased day by day about humans. That's why I said it's good that you hanged him, you ended his life. I am proud of you. And also since then there was a thought back of the mind that the entire humanity needs to be punished now. But then I have conversations later on with Divine on this. So when this masculine started giving me evidences, he was always there with me, he never left me. And also I had a thought in my mind, maybe that tantric has caged him, because he was telling me he always wanted to work with such kind of divine entity which he's not having. So I thought maybe tantric has caged him. So he said, don't you remember, he didn't even had option to talk to me. It was divine who gave him permission to talk to me. And how come he can cage me? Also every time he spoke to me and then divine gave him permission, then only he was able to talk to me. And also things I told him to tell you, whichever things I wanted to inform you, he was only telling you. He didn't even had any option to access me or to talk to me. How did you think that he can cage me? So once he said, it was a divine order, then I spoke to divine. Why did you do this to me? You caged my soul and, put me in a spiritual prison wherein you broke my boundary. You forced me to, break that boundary of mine, which I could never think of doing that. So why did you do that? and this was not part of my game, that 10 years of game. And if I was aware about it, I could have asked you not to play this game. So you knew that I would never break this boundary of mine. That is why you did not tell me that this thing will happen in this 10 years of journey, and you did it intentionally. And then divine said that something was happening with me since my maybe probably when I was in 9th standard. I started noticing it, and that was happening because of this divine entity, this divine the spirit. So I said yes. So divine said, you also took a decision that you will not get married because you don't need to, you want to stay with this masculine spirit. I said yes. So divine said, why do you think you are smart when we have told you that we have seen already somebody, a life partner for you? Then how come did you think like this? So I said, okay, sorry, my mistake. And after that divine got disconnected, and then I started talking to this masculine spirit again. And lot of other thing has happened after this conversation, and as this entity remained in my contact. So, and it was all connected to the twin flame journey itself, how and the things which were getting revealed to me one after another, especially after my spiritual awakening. It was so shocking for me. I could never think that such thing can also happen in a person's life, that too only if you're a twin flame. So if you are a real twin flame, these things are real and this happens. Now, being a twin flame, I have done something different to ascend, if I talk about other twin flames or compare with others. And that is the thing what other twin flames will have to follow, which I will be guiding you in upcoming videos when I start sharing the energy work. So I'll be revealing what all truths were revealed to me after my spiritual awakening, related to this connection, related to this journey, how mysterious this journey is. And yes, I agree, if it wasn't me, then it is definitely impossible for others to understand the reality of this connection, and the way this connection is zigzag and mysterious. So many things happens which you have hard time to believe in. So that I will share in upcoming videos, because it is really important for every twin flame to know what sort of secrets are there which they haven't understood it till now. So when I started blaming divine for breaking that boundary of mine, so what divine did, divine actually caged my soul in a spiritual prison. So what happened during that time, I would do those things which I can never think of doing it. So I was forced to do that thing. And I said to divine, you did a wrong thing to me. It was not part of my game. So I blamed divine, and it was sort of argument. I was not happy. I could never agree for this game if you told me earlier. And you knew that, if I knew this, I would never agree for this. But again, as these things were connected to the twin flame journey, twin flame connection itself. So it was necessary, I can say, because I have been a stubborn person. So yeah, divine had to put that much of efforts to, cage my soul. Otherwise, it wasn't possible. So I remember each and every, experience when the soul was, under the spiritual prison. So I will reveal so many secrets about this connection, which a real twin flame needs to know that, so that they can definitely ascend, even move forward towards the peace and heavenly peace they can have while living on earth. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.